Hi guys, Lewis here. Today I'm going to walk you through a complete step-by-step guide on how to use Blogger, one of the easiest and most beginner-friendly platforms out there. Blogger is a free online publishing platform that allows users to create and manage blogs. It is a hosting website that allows users to publish content on the internet. Users can post original content like photos, videos, and writing. In this tutorial, you'll learn everything you need to get your first blog up and running. First, we'll talk about what Blogger is and what it can do for you. Then, we'll see the sign up process and help you set up your account. We'll also have an overview of the dashboard. Then I'll explain how to create a new blog, customize it, and finally how to create a new post. So without further delay, let's dive right in. Firstly, if you're new, let's understand what Blogger is. Blogger is powered by Google and is a free blogging platform that allows users to easily set up a blog. You can pick a ready-made template, personalize it to match your style, and even connect your custom domain if you want. Furthermore, it offers various features such as pre-built templates, a blog editor, performance statistics, and Google AdSense. Blogger is a fantastic choice for individuals and hobby bloggers, freelancers and creatives, and small businesses or solopreneurs. It integrates seamlessly with other Google services and has a range of customizable themes. Now, let me show you how you can sign up for a brand new Blogger account. To sign up on Blogger, simply search for blogger.com using any search engine of your choice. You will land right here on the official Blogger website. Once on the homepage, click on the Create Your Blog button in the center of the page. Then enter your Google account credentials. If you do not have a pre-existing Google account, click Create Account and follow the instructions to set up a Google account. For this tutorial, I'm going to use this Google account to sign up. After that, write a meaningful name of your blog in the title field given on the screen and click on the Next button. Then you will also need to choose a URL for your website and click the Next button. Lastly, you need to choose a name to display to your readers and then click the Finish button. It will take a while to process, but once processed, you will be redirected to your Blogger account dashboard. Hey, quick interruption. Are you searching for the most efficient way to manage your business, life, or finances? Well, I'm excited to share a valuable resource with you all. We've developed top-notch Notion templates to streamline your business operations, enhance your personal organization, and optimize your financial management. Click the link down in the description of this video to check it out. All right, back to the video. Next, let's explore the Blogger dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. The dashboard is designed to be smooth, simple, and effective. On the left-hand side of your screen, you will find the main menu. This is where you will find all of the control options you will need while designing your website. Let's go through each tab and see what it offers. The Posts tab allows you to create new blog posts, view drafts, and manage published posts. Each post has options to edit, delete, or share it directly. The Stats tab shows you detailed analytics about your blog's performance. You can see how many people have visited your blog. You can also understand which posts are performing best based on views. The Comments tab is where you can view all comments made by your readers. It allows you to moderate comments by approving, deleting, or marking them as spam. Earnings tab is where you can link your blog to Google AdSense. Once approved, you can display ads on your blog and start earning revenue based on your traffic. Pages tab is for static pages, like your About Me or Contact page. These pages don't appear in your regular blog feed, but can be linked in your menu or sidebar. The Layout tab lets you customize the structure of your blog. You can add or rearrange elements like headers, sidebars, and footers. You can also add gadgets like a search bar, recent posts, or social media links. The Theme tab allows you to choose and modify the appearance of your blog. You can pick a pre-designed theme or customize it by changing colors, fonts, and backgrounds to match your style. The Settings tab is where you control your blog's functionality. You can adjust privacy settings, manage permissions for other authors, enable or disable comments, and configure search engine optimization or SEO settings like meta descriptions and custom URLs. The Reading List tab allows you to keep track of the blogs you follow. You'll see updates and new posts from other blogs in this section. At the very bottom, you can click View Blog to preview your website at any time. This left menu is your main navigation tool. It makes it simple to find what you need. Now, let's see how to customize the blog we have recently created. Firstly, click on the Theme tab in your Blogger dashboard. You can see a lot of themes. Browse through this wide range of pre-made themes and pick one that matches the tone of your blog. Once you've chosen a theme, click on it. Then you can preview it, customize it, or apply it as it is. For now, let's click on the Customize button. Here, from the left menu, you can adjust colors, fonts, and the overall layout to match your branding. For example, you can make your headings bold, change background colors to suit your niche, or use custom fonts to create a modern or playful vibe. Furthermore, in most themes, you will see the Layout section. The Layout editor lets you rearrange your blog's structure. Once you are happy with the customization of the theme, click on the Save icon in the bottom right corner. Making these simple changes will help your blog look and feel feel like a polished and professional website. Now, let's discuss what a page is and how to create it in Blogger. Well, a page in Blogger is a static section of your blog used to display permanent information that doesn't change frequently. Unlike blog posts, pages are not part of your regular blog feed or updates. They are typically used for content like About Me or About Us, contact information, privacy policies, and FAQs or services. To create a page in Blogger, click on the Pages option on the left menu and then click on the plus new page option at the top left side. Suppose you're adding an About Us page. Firstly, give your new page a title by entering it in the title field. Then, to add content, simply click on the blank page and start typing. Above, you can see this horizontal formatting toolbar. Here, you can format your text as headings, bold, italicize, underline, change text color, or adjust font size. You can also insert links, images, videos, emojis, bullet points, and numbered lists. On the right-hand side, you'll notice a drop-down menu named Options. From this, you can choose to turn off or on the reader comments. Furthermore, at the top right corner of the page, you'll see buttons for Preview, Save, and Publish. You can click the Preview button to preview your page before you publish. In Preview mode, use the buttons on the bottom of your screen to view what your page will look like on different devices. Once your page is ready, click Publish to make it live on your blog. However, if you're not ready to publish yet, then click on the Save button. Save your page changes. You can also drag and drop images or videos directly onto the page for easy access. Once you're happy with your page editing, hit the Publish button. You can see your website's homepage will automatically be made for you based on your posts. Now, let's see how to add a new post. To create a new post in Blogger, click the Posts option on the left-hand side of your screen. Then click the New Post button at the top left side. The editor's interface looks a lot like the one we use to customize our page. You can write the title of your post and add your content in the blank space. From the top horizontal toolbar, you can edit your text by the given options: font size, style, underline, bold, and italicize. You can also insert the images, videos, and links. The additional settings you can notice in this interface are the options in the right side menu. This menu provides essential options for managing and customizing your blog post. In the labels option, for example if you're writing a recipe blog, you can add labels like desserts or quick meals. Then comes the Publish On option, and we'll set today's date for our post. In the permalink option, for now, let's go for automatic permalink. For this post, let's skip the location option. Once you're happy with your post, click Preview and then publish it. And there you have it for this tutorial. Today we covered everything from creating a Blogger account to customizing your blog, learning what a page is, creating a new page, and writing your first post. I hope this guide made it easy for you to understand the basics of using Blogger. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share it with someone ready to start blogging, and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. If you have any questions or want to share your experience using Blogger, feel free to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, take care.